Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a contract via DocuSign. It's really simple and easy. First of all, make sure you log into your DocuSign account. If you don't have any account and just sign up, they offer a free trial for the new users. And once you are in, look for the send tab. This is where you can initiate the process of sending your contract. Click upload a document to select the contract you want to send. You can upload a PDF, Word document, or any other common file types. Now it's time to specify who needs to sign the contract. Add the email address of your recipients. You can also assign each recipient a role like a signer or a CC recipient. After that, click on this next here. Now next, place a signature fields on your document. Simply drag and drop them onto their appropriate places like these things like this, and at the end review everything to make sure it's correct, and once you are satisfied just click on this send and the DocuSign will send the document to your recipient. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to send a contract via DocuSign. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.